Hello everyone, Zach here from Perfect Habit Jam, and today I want to briefly go over something very important with you in accordance with when you come into the gym for your workout session. So I'm sure you've heard us ask you a million times, how difficult was that set? Or on a scale of 1 to 10, how heavy would you say that weight was that we just chose for you? And then of course you give us your answer, then we go based off of there. Now, there's an actual tool used for this, a standard if you will, for us to decide how hard or how heavy something actually is. And that is RPE. That stands for rate of perceived exertion, and it means exactly how it sounds. It's literally the perception of how hard you believe you are working or how intense you are working during that set. Now, there's a few different levels to this, right? RPE could be in terms of intensity, which is how hard you are actually pushing yourself. This is on you. This is the rate of perceived exertion of how hard you are pushing yourself. There is RPE for difficulty, with how physically possible or impossible something is. 10 being the most difficult, you could not possibly do another rep. 1 obviously being super easy, you could do 1,000,000 reps. And also it goes into the concept of heart rate. How do you feel? How high do you think your heart rate is? Are you at a comfortable level? If you're at a 4 to 5, you know your heart rate's generally low and you're good to go. If you're at a 10, you feel like your heart's about to be at your chest and you can't do anything else. That's how intense that is. So based off of that, there's a sweet spot for this, of course. And that is about an 8.5, meaning you could probably do, let's see if we're on intensity, how hard you're pushing yourself. If you want to be at about an 8.5, not pushing yourself till you're about to fall over, but pushing yourself hard enough to where you can't do much more, you can't do many more reps, or you can't go much longer on the time. Same thing with difficulty. About 8.5 means you could maybe do 1 or 2 more reps, probably 2 more reps, no more than 2. Same thing with heart rate. If you're at about an 8.5, your heart rate's high, and you're feeling good though, and you're feeling comfortable at that heart rate though, any higher than about a 10, you probably shouldn't push yourself any further. So from here on out, be expecting us to ask you what your number is, and we're gonna try to put this scale to work. Everybody have a good day and a good weekend.